everyone, I'm back with another scrapbook layout using this collection. I have been trying to use the Oh What Fun by Pinkfresh, so I am going to be using some of these pieces as well as stuff from this paper pad right here, the Christmas Together for Christmas. These go really well together. So I do apologize if you guys hear my daughter's music is on in her room. So she's sleeping. So these three right here actually from that paper pad that you guys just saw. And then these are the ones that I'm going to be working with. So these are some photos from when we went to the train station, or we went to like a mall train track place. That was really cute back in 2019, I believe. Or was this, yeah, 2019. So I was going to use this really pretty blue paper, but I kind of think that I am just gonna stick with the, oh, that's cute. I really like those. Those are really cute. I might cut out one of those little Christmas trees right there. That would be cute. Because all the other ones on the back of here are all very like fussy cut. So this is really all that I have left from the collection besides the cutouts. This one right here. So yeah, I'm going to probably use these for like a winter layout or something else, and probably be done with the collection because this is all that's left. So the back of this one looks like this, and I'm using it for this one. So I'm just going to probably cut these down, and then I will start working on my layout, and I'll be back and show you guys what it looks like. So I started making some progress. I decided to cut this Pinkfresh paper a little bit and then add that dark green on the back to kind of give it like a little bit of pop, because I felt like it was just kind of lost in the grid of everything. I also decided to take my photos and just matte them with some of the blue and then the ornament paper and then some of the gold, and I didn't have enough gold, but so then I added the green, and then I'm just adding these Pinkfresh little, I've been using these a lot for just like little matting corner mats, and I really like how they are turning out. And also the cards too, because I don't use cards that much, and so I might make it a thing to go through my cards and actually do this and use them. And that'd be really cool to like make like a whole layout out of just these cards. That would be a challenge I could use. I could actually use it on a challenge for like this. That would be really cool. So stay tuned. Might have something like that if I can find a photo that'll go good. So I am just going to put my photos probably like that. And then I'm going to just kind of decorate a little bit. I do have these chipboard stickers that I want to use. I think I want to use the Sparkle and Shine and the Holiday for sure, or December Memories. That would be cute. So I think I'm gonna put like this, like right here or even up here. I think, oh, that'd be cute. Okay, just trying to think, because I think since there is a navy blue up here, it might look better. I don't know. And then let's see if we can do like maybe December. Oh, I like that. Okay, that's gonna go down there. I might actually use some of these stickers to put on there, because these stickers are some labels, and I feel like with this collection, you just have to make like little clusters. And so if I do that, which one am I going to use? Maybe I'll use this navy blue, since the navy blue is up there. Maybe I'll use this navy blue. You know, I'm like covering up my mom's shirt, but that's okay. Maybe I'll put like December memories there. That's cute. What do you guys think? Really cute. And then I could add like this little circle. Maybe. We'll see. If I can add that down there, that would be cute. Make like a little cluster. Okay, I really am liking that a lot. So I think I'm going to do the same thing up here with these coordinating colors down here. So, oh, we have a label. So I have a little label I can put up here. And then we can use this holiday vibes. I think that would look cute. I'm just trying to think about what I want to put on there. Or we could do the time, the sparkle. Sparkle and shine. That's cute. Okay, we'll leave that one down there. And then maybe I can add like a little circle or something like that up here. This one has something like a circle. And that one I feel like needs a circle, 1, 2, but I don't see anything that would match. I could do like this Hello Christmas. That's like more words. Don't know if that's gonna look like it's too much. Might be too much. Maybe we will have a little circle. And the red, like that. I think that would look cute. And then maybe we could put another one of them on the other side. There we go. Okay, so we have a little bit of a cluster there. Nothing too crazy. I do like how this is turning out. And then let's see. Can we add any of these things to it? I know I'm going to use these as my title. Oh, maybe we can use, well, see, now this has gold, so it's not going to work. These are more gold base with a little bit of, these would probably match a lot more than those. So we could use those. We have some dots. Don't think we're going to be using any of those. We have some bows that we could use. Okay, so I think I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to add something over here. I really want to leave this kind of alone because it is such a statement. But it would be cute. Maybe we could add some of these bows on here as bows for those. That would be cute. What do you guys think? Like, well, will it work? I don't know. We will see. Nope. I thought it would, but these bows are a little bit too meh. Why don't we see if we can add some snowflakes to it? Just kind of add that. Let's see. I feel like I should have waited until after I put my title down. That's okay though. I feel like this one. Maybe we can add this one down here. Maybe we can just add all of these on there. I think that would be cute. But I'm just trying to figure out where I want to put them all. Because I have yet to put down my photos, so that's a good thing. All right. I think I'm gonna set my photos down. I think I'm gonna glue them down just because I want to start putting the decorations on. I kind of feel like there should be another one of these over there somehow. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lay down my photos first because I really want to get those down first. And then maybe we can see about adding the title and going from there. Because I kind of feel like maybe that will be the determining factor. So I'm gonna go ahead and I will be back and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after I'm done. So I will be right back. I have done a lot. I added all of the rest of these little guys to the sheet. So I just have to go back and actually glue them down. I added the title, Christmas Trains. Actually, I'm gonna do Christmas Trains. So that way it's, you know, because it's all about Christmas trains. So have that, and then I have the year down here, and then I also decided to take some of these epoxy dots and just kind of add a little bit of something to the side. So on some of the ornaments I added that just to kind of give it a little bit more. And then if you guys see any red marks, it's from my nails. I didn't realize that my nails were actually leaving marks on the paper. But anyway, so I think I'm going to take these little stars too and put them on there as well. So let me go ahead and get those off, because there is a few stars. So I was going to like put some stars just, you know, wherever. There are some stars, so maybe we could put one like right here, just to kind of, I know maybe I could actually move it and just put it like right next to it. Doesn't have to be exactly on top of it. Actually, you know what? No, I kind of like it on top of it. It kind of gives it a little bit of space, so it's not all crowded together. So then I have peace. Maybe I could add that right here. And then we have love, which I was gonna add all the way up here, just so that way it gives it a little bit. So there is that. I also was thinking about adding just like a few more stickers. Can't go wrong with stickers, so. So we have those. I'm just going to move that over. So I have these over here too. We could do like love this time of year. Like down here. Let's add that up there, and then we can add something up there too, because there is that little section. Maybe we can add best time of year. Oh, I do have to glue down my letters because this they're not really good. They're not really the glue on the back of them is not really great. So I think this one is done, guys. I'm gonna call this one done. Oh, maybe I could add another star like right here. Add the star, and then I'll add these little like dots kind of around here just to kind of give it a little bit some pizzazz on this side. There we go. Okay, we're getting there, I think. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna call this one done, but this is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see it. I know my lighting has been bad because I haven't gotten out my ring light. So, but this turned out really stinking cute, really cute. So I'm super excited how this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed. We did use one item up, which I am super happy for. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.